guys, I'm Samarth welcoming you all to the YouTube channel Only Technology. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how we can download and install Pycharm Community Edition onto a PC or laptop. So what's Pycharm? Well, basically it's an IDE integrated development environment that can run and is capable of running extreme powerful Python programs. And I'm going to use it into my whole YouTube journey for bringing up to you Python tutorials. So let's start. Okay, so firstly you just need to head into start and just you need to type in cmd command prompt, click on enter. Okay, and here you just need to type in python, okay, sorry, python hyphen and version, sorry for spell mistakes. And okay, here you can see the python has been installed. If you have not installed, there you can see the link, just click on it and see the whole video. You just need to open your favorite browser and then you just need to search for Pycharm Community Edition. When you enter Pycharm, you can see the second suggestion, Pycharm Community Edition. You just need to click on that, and here you can see the first link, JetBrains. Click on that, and the official website for Pycharm IDE has been loaded. Here there are two versions of Pycharm IDE, that's one's professional and the other's community edition. The community edition is completely free and safe to use. You don't need to pay anything. Okay, so let's find for the download button. Here you can see scrolling down onto the website, the PyCharm community edition. Just click on the download button and let's wait for a while until the site is loaded completely, and then it will tell us to locate wherever we want to save the installer. I'll save it on my downloads and click on save, and then the downloading of the installer has been started. Okay, so let's wait for a while until the installer gets completely downloaded. Okay, congrats, the installer has been downloaded. You just need to locate wherever you have to save the installer and then double click on it and wait for a while until the installer brings up the pop-up. And okay, so here you can see the welcome screen. Just click on next, locate wherever we want to save the installer and click on next. Then just tip all of these boxes, these are really important as the PyCharm IDE development depends on it. Then click on next and click on install now. Okay, so the Python has been started to install. Sorry for spell error, that's PyCharm. Okay, so the PyCharm has been completely installed, yes, and yeah, it has been installed. I will manually reboot later. You can reboot it now or maybe later. I'll just launch PyCharm IDE. Okay, so you can see the Pycharm IDE has been launched, and finally you have installed it onto your PC or laptop. So let's wait until the interface loads and just I click on I agree, and okay, that's not important. And okay, so it should open up some interface screen that looks like this. Welcome to Pycharm. Just click on new project and name your project whatever you want. I will just let the defaults be same. Save wherever you want to save the project and name it, and then just click on start. Make sure to see your interpreter and then click on start the project. Okay, so the project has been started. Here you can see the IDE has been loaded. Okay, so if you see the error something like Microsoft Defender, you just need to click on automatically, it should resolve. And here you can see that it has been loaded. You just need to click right click here, here click on right click and then click new file and name it main.py python file. Okay, so I'll just type in here a basic Python script, that's hello world, and then you just need to run this script. Here you can see the run button, click on run, and then the Python script has been run. You can see the hello world has been printed. Now I'll write a program that tells us or asks us our name and then gives us our name into format of output. So wait for a while, I'll be back in a minute. Okay, so the program has been finally created, and then I'll click on enter. Here you can see what is your name. I'll just enter my name, that's Samarth, and okay, just click on enter, and here you can see it has given my name into an output. Okay, So finally our Python programs are running. Alright, that's it for this tutorial. I hope it proved to be informative to you, and just keep up with my tutorials to learn how to code with Python and also with many other programming languages. Well then, thanks for watching.